Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome again. Last time we saw how to update the PMS by updating the B6 and importing the data here, and then or exporting data from B6 and link the PMS with the Excel file exported from B6. Today we will update first the PMS and then export it to or import it into P6. But let me tell you that this method you have to be very careful because P6 is a little bit sensitive to how you input the data. So you have to be aware what is the columns which accept updates or not. Let's start now. I have this I create this one from PMS. It will not accept. Okay, so this file it will be update. We will update this file. To update it, first you have to export. You have to export the Excel file which will get update. I will select activity, export. Let me see what is the setting. I need okay, activity name, start, finish. Okay, that's good. We have here the activity status. I cannot drag it down. Okay, I will keep it as it is. I have the name, everything. I think this is okay now. Okay, let's export to our file. Next, finish. I have this file here. We did some updates to these activities. Let's open the Excel file from B6. Whatever has here this star, you cannot update. Only you can update this one here. I have task ID, which is activity ID, and I can simply write here formula VLOOKUP. This one table read from the PMS file. I will drag all of this, and then how many? Let's count till here. This 22 column. So you can simply write here 22 and then false. Drag down. The terms is already fixed, so everything is okay. We can confirm. It's 1%, 1%. Let's see. Okay. After this, it's correct. Yes, no issues. But actually, this percent complete has to multiply by 10. So you can add this term here, multiply, sorry, by 100. And then you can copy paste here like this and make it formula. Okay. After updating this one, it's very important to change also the activity status to let the P6 understand that this activity is started or in progress or completed. So we can simply write a formula. You can save it for later, it's up to you. You can make here another sheet, and there's many ways to use this file, but I will just now write it here. You can configure how to make this automate by what is the best for you, and you can add one sheet here. You can make a separate Excel file to get the updates, then copy paste here with the same setting of color. Okay, I will write here if this one is equal 100, then completed. If this one, or I will write and if this one more than 0 and and less than 100, that mean in progress, if else will be not started. Okay, I missed something. Another bracket. Okay, let's drag it, and then you have to copy this one here, text. Before you finish, change this column from data text to column and change it to text. It's very important because the number format P6 will not recognize, it recognizes only as a text. Finish. That's it. Let's save. Here in P6 I will import Excel file, select this one, next, activities, yes, import to the open P6, finish. Voila, it's updated here, the percent updated, and now by default it take actual start and actual finish. Of course you can adjust this as per your think. By somehow this became crazy. So we saw how to update from Excel to the P6, very simple way. There is many tricks you can use it. You can make a separate sheet for updating, copy paste all the data into the exported file from P6 with the same columns and everything. You can like adding here. This is my suggestion, yani. Let's open again. I will copy all of this. I will copy it here. P6 update like this. And I can write here the same formula if blah 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 blah. And this one I can also make the VLOOKUP blah blah blah, link it with this, and then after making this update just copy and paste it in this file and paste it here, then import this file. This is one of the tricks you can use it. I hope this videos was good for you. I think now I complete the biggest part from how to create the progress measurement sheet and how to update it with different way. We explain the basis. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment. Also, this course now available in Udemy. It's for free for now, so you can join also. Thank you.